Alright, well, I'm trying to get an update out on Jawbreaker here. So I just warming it up here. We'll see if we can actually operate it a little bit. I can't take it on the road. I got no plates for it. But I got a little bit of room in the driveway, so we'll just give it a try to make sure everything's working. It's completely untuned. And as I originally said, I was going to see if I could work on making this competitive with my ZLE, which I just had out for the afternoon, which is freaking fantastic, by the way. So as you know, we put a fresh 6-liter in it with a lot less kilometers, but stock bottom end. Got a decent set of heads. Got a 2.3-liter Whipple. Got a LS9 cam. Running a couple of different fuel systems. One of them's methanol. She should open for 800 foot-pounds at about 4,500, which should be adequate. We'll see how it works. So it was supposed to be just a quick bit of engine work just to get it up and running, but it turns out I had to do the front suspension, everything, bushings, ball joints, the works, the rear suspension, brakes. Then when it was in the shop, decided touching it was making me dirty and dusty, so I'd clear it. So that became actually fixing the body without changing the paint. I wanted the paint to look like it had been out in the field for 50 years, which, it basically had. So we patched it all back together and clear coated it 9 times. The body is absolutely dead level. Calling it the reverse 50-footer. I mean, it's still Jawbreaker, but at 50 feet, it looks like it belongs in a trailer park. And at 5 feet, you realize you're dealing with a freaking serious piece of machinery. So yeah, I know she's toothless. The spoiler is still in the body shop. I changed the paint process halfway through and it went to shit on me. So that'll have to go through clear tomorrow, and then I'll be able to get it on the car. The hood scoop is also off the car for now. That is in the body shop, same thing. Changed the paint, went to shit, had to start again at the beginning. The interior has not got anything done with it at all. Do have all the gauges running though, and I got all the electronics running. That's boost and AFR. I just got to get the pillar pod made. You can't buy a pillar pod for one of these cars in this vintage. I do have an absolutely brand new interior, seats, door panels, headliners, everything. Just don't have enough time to get it in this run cycle. But yeah, there she is. I'll see if I can get a bit of rolling footage here. Oh, look out. It's actually, I tried rinsing it off last night. It's dirty as hell. But I don't know. I like it. I think it's one fucking badass Camaro. Alright, so the car is completely untuned, but we're going to try to give it a roll anyways. I'm going to get my lovely wife to videotape, and we'll just see if we can see what happens. So only has a bass tune, no tune for boost, no nothing. We'll just roll it, see what happens.
I could be, and now I am.
Okay, power level check complete. Okay, well, if you stuck around this far, thanks. And I know the car didn't have the right wheels on it. It's not complete. It's going to look way fucking cooler when I'm done. But I'm going to throw a few stills in here just to show you what I went through to get up to this point. And I'm sorry, but the next update video is probably going to be 3 weeks away because I got to get through some freaking customers' cars, make some freaking money. It's the game we all play. All right. Okay, so we're just getting ready to lay clear down here on Jawbreaker. You see our fancy paint booth? Yes, that is car wrapping. But I think it should work real good.